It's working very well so far. I am excited. So let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, today we are going to be making very, very tiny slimes, and we are going to be using this little beautiful tiny mixer to do it. So, guys, I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but I just did a video where I did 24 hours inside my slimy bathtub. Yeah, I stayed in a bathtub full of slime for 24 hours. Bad idea, guys. Ow, it burns, it burns, Paul, where are you? Bad idea. Anyway, so I had to eat, and the only thing I could think of to eat is this little kit I got where you can make like little miniature like Rice Krispie treats. And it came with this little mini mixture thing, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It reminded me of slime, and so I am going to try and attempt to make slime in the little tiny mixer. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, basically that's it. Today's like my challenge is gonna be though, you have to turn around, touch the ground, put your leg up, and say yeah. And that person's like, what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I get you guys? Did you guys do it? All right, let's get straight on into the video, yo. Okay, guys, so first thing I think we should start out with is a fluffy slime, a nice simple fluffy slime. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so first we're gonna get our glue. We're gonna try and make this a nice relaxing Instagram tutorial. All right, so first you need some school glue. All right, we're gonna make it yellow. I don't know how to get the food coloring in there, but just like a little drop. Get some tiny shaving cream. That's enough. I think we could go ahead and put it in our mixer. There we go. All right, let's do this. You guys think it's gonna work? I am so excited. I want to see if it's gonna work. Okay, well, it's mixing very well. I think it just needs some more shaving cream. I didn't want to put too much because I didn't want it to overfill, but it actually didn't do that bad. All right, let's go ahead and mix it again. It's working pretty good, guys. Alrighty, guys, I found some pink food coloring, a small one, so that's gonna be easier. Go ahead and put a little drop. There we go. Now let's mix again. I feel like we might need some more shaving cream again. Oh, why did that get so fat? It was skinny before. This is actually mixing pretty well, guys. I'm actually really impressed. I didn't know if it was gonna do too well, but it actually did a very good job. All right, now let's go ahead and activate it. So we're gonna use this activator. Okay, let's see, guys, is it gonna work? Is it gonna be able to take the thickness? It's working, I think it's working. Okay, well guys, it worked. It's just, now it's just all kind of clumping up right here. So I'm gonna just try and bring it down. Put it back in the bowl, and we're gonna try again. I'm gonna put more activator because I think it needs more too. Excuse my hands, guys. They're kind of all dirty. It just keeps kind of grouping up in the middle, which really sucks, but whatever. Here's our slime, guys. Whoa, guys, it actually worked! Oh my god, I am just shook. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. It actually, like, I knew it was gonna work kind of, but I didn't know it was gonna work this well. Like, it worked very, very well, guys. Honestly, if it had like a bigger version of this, like not the electric one, but just a bigger version, maybe like the size of the bowl I have, maybe it would probably make making slime a lot easier because this was amazing. All right, well, here's the slime, guys. It turned out so cool, guys. I really love this. I cannot wait to make some more slime. So let me just go ahead and clean this up and we can make another slime because I am excited. All right, guys, so the next thing we're gonna try and just make a plain out, nice, clear, glittery slime. So let's go ahead and do that. So first we're gonna get some Elmer's glue. Okay, so that's good. Using small bottles for this is very helpful. All right, now I'm gonna use some hair gel. I wanna put some, I like putting hair gel in the clear slime because it's clear, first of all, so it doesn't do anything. And second of all, because it kind of makes it like a little bit like softer and easier to activate. So if you want to make some clear slime like really easily, put some hair gel. We're gonna go ahead and put some green in there. Boop. All right, and then we're gonna put some sparkles. Alrighty, and then we're gonna add some yellow glitter, this fine neon yellow glitter. I love this glitter. Got this at Walmart, by the way, if you guys want to know where it is, because it is beautiful, so yeah. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and mix our mixture slime thingy. And I'm really excited to see how it's gonna turn out, so let's do this. Ooh, that looks so cool already. Wow, those blue glitters actually look really cool. They look kind of weird, but it looks cool. All right, it kind of sucks because the bowl is green, but we'll see it after. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some activator. Okay, hopefully it activates good. I wonder if it's gonna work, guys, because Elmer's glue is very thick, so I don't know if this machine will be able to take it. I just don't want to put too much glue, guys, so it won't like kind of like overheat the machine. Not overheat it, but overwork it. So that wasn't mixing anything. It's not mixing anything. There we go, now it's mixing. I think it's just chunking up. Oh, wait, no, it's kind of working. I think we need some more activator though. Oh, it's working, I think it's working.
6 months later.
Alrighty, take our slime out. Here's our slime, guys. I think it mixed it pretty well for a tiny little mixer like that. Just need to knead it a little bit more, but yeah, that's it. But whoa, guys, look at that. Ooh, that actually turned out really nice. Look at how cool. All right, well, I really like how this would turn out. This one was a little bit more difficult. I feel like it also might be the reason. Part of the reason might be because I put too less glue. Like, I probably should have put a little bit more, but it turned out really good. I really like it. I think we should try again. I think next time I want to try a jiggly slime because jiggly slimes are really easy to make, so I want to try that. But yeah, here it is, guys. Worked. It's so cool. All right, I'm gonna try and do some ASMR. I don't know if I can because it's really tiny. All right, well, that's it for that one. Let's go ahead and try the next one. All right, guys, so the next one we're gonna do is, I wanna do jiggly or some type of glossy slime. I think I'm gonna do glossy slime. All right, let's do this. Okay, so first we're gonna get our bowl and we're gonna get some white school glue and then some clear school glue to give it that glossy and thick touch. Then this one we're gonna try and make it pink too as well. Alrighty, and then we're gonna put some lotion in it, kind of make it like softer and glossier. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna add some hair gel just because I want to see what will happen. I feel like I'll make it like a bit more glossy. So I'm just adding like a little drop. And a tiny bit of shaving cream because I feel like it kind of helps, you know? I hope that was enough. I feel like I didn't put enough again as usual. So I'm gonna put some more of this white glue, get a little bit more clear glue. Alrighty, and let's mix this. There we go, let's start. Ooh, looks like it's turning out good. It looks really nice and glossy. Alrighty, looking good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add some activator now. I need a better activator bottle, guys. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start mixing. Oh my god, it just glides to the top, guys, and it doesn't do anything. Do you guys see that? So I'm just gonna continue mixing until it sticks. I think it's starting to work, guys. Do we need some more activator? It's trying to have a hard time, guys. I don't know what happened. All right, I'm just gonna take it out now. Oh, not too bad. Just needs a bit of kneading, but I think it did a pretty good job overall. All right, so it's a bit overactivated because I kind of have to put activator for it to keep on going. Maybe if I dilute the activator, but like it did a pretty good job. I like it a lot. It's super glossy. It turned out pretty good. Only thing bad with it is that it's a little bit overactivated, but that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and dilute my activator and we're gonna try this again. We're gonna give it another attempt. All right, guys, so we're gonna do one more slime. It's gonna be a jelly cube slime. I'm so excited because I love jelly cubes and it's gonna be a miniature jelly cube, so it's gonna be super cute and super cool. All right, let's do this. Okay, so first we're gonna get some clear glue. Clear glue. We're gonna add some hair gel to kind of make it a little bit easier to activate. Basically, so it's like less thick for the machine to like mix. We're gonna try and make this one blue, but I'm gonna need like something to like put it in there. We're gonna try and put a little bit of this blue. Alrighty, I think that's good. And we're gonna put some blue glitter. I wish this bowl was clear so we could see our white or something or silver. I'm gonna add some of this yellow glitter and green glitter. Alrighty, I think we are ready to go. Okay, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look. Ooh, that looks so cool. It's so pretty. I love how the glitter mixes with the glue. And like seeing it in a tiny form is just like way better. Okay, I think it's all done. I hope that's enough blue food coloring. I can't really tell because it's like a green bowl, but I think it should be fine, especially with the glitters. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. I diluted the activator a pretty good amount. I'm not sure it's gonna work though. Hope it does though. Mix it now. I am excited for this one. Plus, we have to keep it a little bit sticky because it is a jelly cube slime, so we gotta keep that in mind. Okay, well, it seems like it's working well because it's kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like gooing up, but it's not really thick like how it, like clumpy how it usually is. So I'm going to add some more activator, and I am excited because I feel like this one's really gonna work really well. Ooh, it's working. Alrighty, well, I don't know if my activator, maybe it's too weak, but it seems like it's kind of working. Maybe I should put like a big gulp in there, like that much. Uh-oh, I think that was too much.
4 to 6 more days later.
It's working very well so far. I am excited. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I don't think I can do it anymore, but I think it's pretty sticky too. So let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. It turned out to a really nice color, guys. Ooh, look at that. Okay, well, I think this turned out really, really good. It's pretty thick still, even though I added a lot of like hair gel and activator, and the color is amazing. Alrighty, so I feel like I should add a little bit more activator. Alrighty, so here's the slime. I think it turned out really, really nice. I'm gonna kind of keep it this sticky. I feel like it'll do good with the jelly, but like, it's so pretty, guys. Look at that. This one is definitely my favorite. I didn't think I could make it this pretty, but I did, and I am so happy about it. All right, so that's the best I can do with the ASMR. Alrighty, guys, here's our little bowl of tiny miniature jelly cubes. Look at how cute they are. All right, let's go ahead and drop our slime into it. Oh, I took all of them, okay. Ooh, look at how cute that is. Oh my God, it's so adorable. It's so tiny. Adding a tiny bit of this stronger activator to try and make it a little bit less sticky. Yeah, that helped. Right, here it is. Okay, that is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I am really loving this one. I think I did a pretty good job with this one. I'm very happy about how it turned out. And yeah, it's even though I put like a lot of hair gel, it's still super thick and really nice and clicky. I cannot wait till this clears up, guys. You liked today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys want to do a part 2. I really want to do a part 2. I thought this was really, really fun, especially this one. And I think the clear slime turned out really good. I'm very happy about it. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!